All right, hi environmental science. Back again. I'm going to talk about assignment number 3, the Intro to Environmental Science Study Guide. So that's our first unit. So click right here on this presentation or on this document. I have the presentation linked, but I'm going to do a separate video for that in the interest of time. So I have it open right here. So what you guys are going to do is, as we're going through the unit or after the presentation or different sections of the presentation, go back in and answer these questions. So these are definitions. I would try to define them in your own words. That helps you learn them and get them in your head. And then these are some critical thinking questions. So hopefully we will have touched on all of these questions, at least in the presentation or in our activities, or both. So the idea is this study guide does not go along with the presentation per se, but it kind of reflects on it, if that makes sense. So you're not going to be able to fill it out necessarily as we go through each question, but at the end, using your notes or reflecting on what we've covered, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's the study guide. That's assignment number 3 in Google Classroom. So I think you should probably start that today, and I'll make a separate video and post it in a minute going over the presentation. All right, capiche? Ciao.